Next, I'm going to install plugins. So I'm going to install Elementor that I explained that to you earlier. So go to plugin and hit add new, and you can type Elementor. And it's free, it's right here. Install and activate. I'll show you another way to install plugin because I have to install a pro version of Elementor, so which is you cannot really directly download from the internet. You have to upload from your computer. So let me show you that to you how. So once again, so you go to plugins and hit add new. Actually, you can just go here and add new, so it does the same thing. And then add new. And here you see upload plugin. So click that and choose file. And it is on my desktop. It's right here. And I'm going to hit open and hit install now. So now it's uploading to my server, and hit activate plugin. And I have to connect activate because this is the pro version. It's a paid version here, and it's here, and I just go to activate, sorry. Okay, so it just activated right now. Cool. And that's all. So so if you want to install other plugin, it does the same thing. You should just go hit plugin, or you directly here you can hit add new. And then so let's say if you're looking for any online donation plugin, let's see, type keyword here. Yeah, of course you probably have to do lots of research too. So this WP form, apparently you can create some donation form. So and then just go ahead and install here and hit activate, and it's here. So the WP form, so as you can see, it's added to your WordPress site. So this is how easy to keep adding plugins.